What's going on, everybody? Justin here. The Winds of Change is the channel name. Thank you for stopping by. Today, I'm going to share with you something that I used to never do, but now I do. And I'm going to let you know why you're missing out on good money if you aren't doing this. Check it out. Here at Ollie's, doing some retail arbitrage. And I just want to share with you all why it's really important to not just go by the barcodes on some items. For example, this barcode, when we scan it with the Amazon app, look at what we get. Nothing. However, if we do the picture recognition, or we put the title in for Old Spice royalty, look at what comes up. A 4-pack. You got to make sure that it's right. So 16.9 fluid ounces, pack of 4. So we're going to group these together, and for a 4-pack, we're going to be paying $14, and they're selling almost $50 right now. That is really, really good. So we're going to make about $20 each on these, hopefully. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 4-packs for $120 potential profit. That is amazing. So make sure you're not being lazy, because a lot of times people are going to come in here and they're just going to scan the barcodes, and they're going to be leaving this stuff behind, which means it's wide open for you to pick up. You're going to make a lot more money that way. You have to be careful though when you put in the actual name into the Amazon search app, because it's not exactly super smart. Like if you misspell one word, it's not going to pick it up. Like I misspelled royalty like 3 times and it came back with nothing. So you got to make sure that you spell it correctly. But definitely be putting in the names and doing the recognition from the picture, and not just scanning the barcodes. If you like tips like this about Amazon, FBA, retail arbitrage, making money online, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, go out there, get some money, and have fun doing it. I'll catch you all later.